Sarah, the beauty of waiting, of silence, of breathing, of expanding energy through conserving, of adding value to life each day in small steps. The experience of the projector energy and essence is turning from loneliness to expansion, from separation to being the whole universe. I resonate with this first thing, the beauty of waiting, the beauty of silence, the beauty of breathing. It's infinite potential. It is space just waiting to be filled with something. It is creation at the very edge. It is the brim. It is the birthing place of anything. It is the Tao. It is the immeasurable, unknowable, unspeakable Tao. Tao Te Ching, the mother of the universe, the movement without movement, the utility of empty space, which is it is that last second before a sound. It is that, yeah, infinite potential. Thank you for sharing, Sarah. Thank you. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, share your story below. Check out my audio courses: Human Design, Basics, Intermediate, Projector Masterclass, other Human Design that will come out. Check out the Elemental Balancing audio course. They're all available on the Insight Timer app, where you are also invited to join the course classroom. In there, you can ask questions and get direct voice messages from me, and also engage with other students, share your feedback and insights, and further your learning. For one-on-one human design coaching and psychotherapy, send an inquiry through the website. Join us on the Insight Timer live sessions, where we do fascia and qigong stress release classes. Check out my art and merch webshop full of my original designs ready to be printed on shirts, notebooks, and many other products. Download my free ebooks and join my newsletter to stay connected and get updates and content in your email. Everything mentioned is available at icreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance.